left it in God's hands. I feel like a fool, but I'm grateful to the Lord because I've gotten.
Shut up, shut up, shut it up.
But I feel terrible. I feel terrible about everything that had happened in that incident.
All right, because regardless of whether I grant you probation or send you to prison, you'll still owe what you owe.
It's all about the Benjamins, Judge.
Steps to show that he has, one, understood how horrible and stupid what he did was, but also steps in the future of how never to be before this court, never to put someone's life in danger, never to be on this side of the criminal justice system again, Judge.
For the past 2 years that I've been going to, coming to court and going about the reschedulings and so forth, no matter what it is, whether I'm in Oklahoma, I'm in Paris, Texas, or Rogers, Texas, or anywhere in Texas, and I'm very grateful that y'all have given me the opportunity to appear via Zoom, and I've been very lenient with as on time as I possibly could for any event or any. I don't ever want to look at anything like this again in my life, Your Honor. See the outside world. And for these past 2 years, I've seen miracle after miracle after miracle, and I've met so many people that I never thought I'd meet, and seen so much that I never thought I'd seen. So I do want to let you know that I am a man of my word, and it's all I have. And I plan on staying and sticking to it no matter what.
Here, we can go off the record. Here's the court's question. Let me just tell you, sometimes it's hard to send somebody to prison when I'm balancing what you've done. I'm balancing where you are now, because there are some complainants who would say, I want him underneath the prison. But he says he lost a week's pay. That's $1,096.16. Says his vehicle is still impounded, but he's saying that vehicle is valued at $8,000. So.
End of flashback.
Refresher. We pled live. It was set today for sentencing to come up with a big chunk of restitution.
Yes.
I've confirmed with the state. They're not opposed. We're asking for a little more time. He has $1,800 on him. He had a $5,000 loan that he was pre-approved for that fell through. This week, he has a gentleman looking at his camper that he'll hopefully be able to generate another $3,000 to $4,000 to put toward it. So at the very least, he'll have $5,000 of the $10,000 restitution. And so that one of the court's concerns was the seriousness of showing that he can generate some money for restitution prior to being placed on deferred education.
Yes. So, when is he going to have the amount?
So that's the question. So he has someone looking at the RV this week. Hopefully that, like I said, he's asking $4,000 for it. Assuming worst case scenario generates somewhere between $3,000 to $4,000. At least he would have somewhere in the range of about $5,000 to $6,000. Hopefully this week. Like I said, he has almost $1,800 in cashier's checks now. The goal was the $5,000 loan plus this would have put him at the $10,000 mark. The loan fell through, so now we're praying that this is the third person that has looked at the RV in the last several weeks. So we're praying that, like I said, it'll generate $3,000 to $4,000, which would put us at $4,800 to $5,800.
All right. This is going to be recalled for December 8th. There will be no further resets for restitution amounts. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. If I may, just sure.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, December 8th, that's the final setting, no further resets.
Yes, sir.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you...
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Wait for it. Oh, what is that?
Danielle Garcia.
Darwin Gomez? Yes.
Here you go.
Why are we reapproaching?
Let's sit in the box.
Darwin Gomez.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize, Judge. I'm here from Uncle Hood.
Yeah.
I apologize, Judge.
No problem.
Yeah, it's all about the Benjamins, Judge.
As well as a new job opportunity to come up with the amount that is needed to get this restitution taken care of. I want to make sure that I get this taken care of as soon as possible, and not just a portion of it. I want the full amount paid. And I have the numbers figured out. I've done my checks and balances, and I'm 100% confident that if I can get that time frame, the 29th, or even a little bit after, the 29th definitely, I can come up with $8,000 to $10,000.
No. You're saying the full amount. Could I see his file, please? If I give you a reset, it's going to be for the full amount.
For 15, ma'am, is that correct?
Mhm.
Okay. I
So
haven't
here's the
done,
thing. Don't tell me that you can do it if you can't do it.
I cannot do the 15,000, but the 10,000, I know for a fact that I can, Your Honor. I'm a second-year apprentice, and I work with IBW Local 60 as a union member.
Mhm.
I make $18.75 an hour. However, I will be working 56 hours a week, and on the weekends, I will be working as a mechanic to make additional income in Bernie, Texas. My dear friend is the owner of that company, and he's already given me permission to do so. He already gave me the pay rate and the amount, so I know confidently that I can definitely come up with that amount.
With the $1,800, and she's not saying she's gonna do it, if she resets it till the 29th of December, how much total amount, including the 1,800, will you come up with?
10,000.
All right, because regardless of whether I grant you probation or send you to prison, you'll still owe what you owe. All right, so was recalled, and we'll go on the record in just a moment. This was recalled for the defendant to pay restitution.
Yes, Judge.
And has that been done?
Yes, Judge. He was able to come up with $9,960, something like that.
I believe I could pull them up. Let me verify.
Thank God he was able to sell his trailer and some other things to come up with, because
It was actually the Friday prior to court, so by the whim.
So has he paid the restitution in full now, or is there any more?
no, there's still, I think, like 5,000. When we had come the last setting, I think it was 15,000.
$15,232.36.
His finances are strapped, and you had wanted, I don't want to speak for you, but
No.
my recollection was you had wanted some serious good faith,
Mm-hmm.
and you had said 10,000.
So I'm sorry, what's the total you've paid?
It was the
$9,962,
Yes.
something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, is it exactly 9,900?
Correct. Yes.
I can pull it up. He
Yes,
texted me.
yes.
My apologies, Your Honor.
No
I almost
problem.
got, this is no excuse, but I would have had the full amount, but they're kind of evicting me from my house due to circumstances.
Mhm.
That is correct, Your Honor. I'm currently in the JATC program on Blanco Road for electrical. So once I'm finished with the electrical systems and codology, they'll be giving me a $4 raise, Your Honor.
Okay, so probation,
Yes.
that leaves a balance of $5,363.36.
$5,360.
Yes. That is going to be to Miles Buentello, Buentello. So with regards to this $5,363.36, how much you're going to be able to pay monthly towards that? Don't tell me what you think I want to hear. Tell me what you can do.
I'm a very transparent man, Your Honor. I don't,
So, I mean, just tell me. Or do you need to discuss an amount with your attorney?
if I could please,
Sure.
right now it's a slow season with the union, so it's very difficult.
This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years deferred adjudication. Let me go here. So 10 years deferred adjudication. Oh, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be restitution and no contact with the complainant. The restitution amount is $5,363.36. The court will note that the defendant has paid a majority of the restitution amount, and the remaining restitution is to be made in installments of $250 per month. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, 300 hours of community service restitution of the defensive driving course. Do you have any children?
No, Your Honor, but I will be planning it now that this is.
No, Judge, she has not.
You need to make sure you do that because the complainant wants their restitution. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And if you cannot drive with patience, without anger, then you should not be driving.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand?
Absolutely.
All right, good luck to you.
You won't
bless
sit
you,
again.
Your
Thank
Honor.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
God bless you too. Thank you. Have a good one.
Excuse, Judge, may I excused?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Don't leave yet.